Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency, with a sporty presence and liberating economy. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Auto Week explains, the Cruze symbolizes the progress that GM is making to sort out its engineering fundamentals, product quality, and global manufacturing plan. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.